Welcome to Jamie's 4.0 Garage, where today we're going to talk about engine oil, specifically how to check the level of engine oil for your car or truck. Today we're going to be working on a Jeep Wrangler that's in the shop, and we're going to use that vehicle to show you how simple it is to check your oil. Without the right amount of oil, your engine's not going to last as long as it should, and it's also going to break down and cause you major repairs due to extensive internal engine damage. Oil is designed to lubricate, reduce shock and friction between parts, reduce noise from the parts interacting with each other, reduce the heat of the parts so your engine parts last longer, and also clean them. And once they clean them, that's also going to reduce the friction between the parts. So it's a big circle of all the things that oil does for your vehicle's engine. But if you don't have enough, it's not going to be able to protect it. If it's not being protected, it's not going to last as long as it should, and it's also going to break down with costly repairs. So in a quick little video I put together here is going to show you how to check your oil and ensure that your engine will have a long life. So the first step in checking the oil on our Jeep Wrangler is to release the hood latches on each side. Then go up underneath and grab the secondary hood latch with my other finger. Then I'm going to reach for the yellow hood prop rod. Grab the hood prop rod, put it down into the spot that says prop so the hood doesn't fall on us. Then I'm going to grab a paper towel, shop towel, and I'm going to look for the dipstick. All the maintenance items are in yellow. I'm going to pull the dipstick out, and I'm going to wipe down any excessive oil that's already on the stick. Once it's wiped down, look at the color and condition. Then I'm going to take the dipstick, put it back into the dipstick tube till it's seated, pull it back out, and that's when I'm going to take my reading. And I'm going to look and see where the level is on the stick. So this vehicle is perfectly fine. The vehicle has clean, full oil, but I want to show you what the crosshatch area of the dipstick is. This is full. This is you definitely add some oil. And in the middle is the crosshatch area. That's the safe zone. If it's anywhere in the safe zone, you're fine to operate the vehicle, but preferably we want it right up to the top. So pretty simple, very easy, takes you just a few minutes to make sure the level of your oil in your Jeep Wrangler or any other vehicle is perfectly fine and safe so your engine can live a long, happy, healthy life. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Jamie's 4.0 Garage. Thank you.